Ciao and welcome to my channel. It's been a while since my last video about Italian pronunciation, so today I'm gonna show you the letter Z in Italian. Hope you like the lesson, let's go! In Italian you call the letter Z, Zeta, Zeta, Zeta. The pronunciation of this consonant can vary from region to region, but in this video I'll show you the official rules of Italian diction. Let's start by saying that this letter can have two different sounds. A hard sound, like in the word pazzo, 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 which means crazy, or a soft sound, as in the word zebra, 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 which means zebra. In the first example, we call the Z sorda, sorda, z, while in the second instance, sonora, sonora. Z, z, z. Now let's begin with the first sound. You can find it when the Z comes after the letter L, like in the word calza, calza, which means sock, calza. Other examples are alzare, alzare, which is the Italian verb to lift, scalzo, scalzo, means barefoot, calzone, calzone is a type of pizza, and Bolzano, Bolzano is a city in the north of Italy. Alzare, scalzo, calzone, Bolzano. The Z gets this sound also when it comes before the letter I, followed by another vowel. For example, in the Italian word for thank you, which is grazie, grazie, grazie. There are quite a few words that fall in this category, but I've listed here some of the most common. Zia, zia means aunt. Polizia, polizia is the police. Pulizia, pulizia means cleaning. Spezie, spezie is how we call the spices. Notizie, notizie means news. Inizio, inizio is the Italian word for start. Egizio, egizio means Egyptian. And silenzio, silenzio means silence, quiet. Zia, polizia, pulizia, spezie, notizie, inizio, egizio, silenzio. An exception to this rule is the word azienda, azienda, which means company, azienda. Moving on, also the words ending with the following combination of letters belong to this category, such as prezzo, prezzo, which means price. Let's look at some more examples. Altezza, altezza means height. Pezza, pezza is a cloth. Tristezza, tristezza is the Italian word for sadness. Nozze, nozze means wedding. Pozzo, pozzo is how we call a well. Abruzzo, Abruzzo is a region in the center of Italy. Puzza, puzza means smell. Struzzo, struzzo is the ostrich. Altezza, pezza, tristezza, nozze, pozzo, Abruzzo, puzza, struzzo. Watch out for a couple of exceptions, such as the Italian word for half, mezzo, mezzo in the masculine, and mezza, mezza in the feminine. Are also exceptions the following adjectives: grezzo, grezzo, and rozzo, rozzo. These adjectives can either describe something rough and not yet defined, or a person who has no education. Mezzo, mezza, grezzo, rozzo. Let's go ahead with another group of words, which are the ones ending in anza or enza, like for example stanza, stanza, which is the Italian word for room. In this instance, the letter Z still gets the hard sound. Stanza. Here you can see some more examples. Speranza, speranza means hope. Finanza, finanza is the Italian word for finance. Vacanza, vacanza is a holiday. Danza, danza means dance. Senza, senza means without. Scienza, scienza is the science. Influenza, influenza is the flu. Pazienza, pazienza means patience. Speranza, finanza, vacanza, danza, senza, scienza, influenza, pazienza. Quite common in Italian is also the words ending in zione, such as lezione, lezione, that means lesson. Let's see some more examples. Azione, azione is an action. Nazione, nazione means country. Colazione, colazione, it's the breakfast. Relazione, relazione is the Italian word for relationship. Promozione, promozione refers to a job promotion. Attenzione, attenzione means attention. Donazione, donazione is a donation. Eccezione, eccezione is an exception. Azione, nazione, colazione, relazione, promozione, attenzione, donazione, eccezione. Finally, you can find this sound in words beginning with Z, where the third letter is one of the following consonants: C, F, P, Q, T. Let's see an example to clarify. In the word zucca, zucca, which means pumpkin, the first letter is Z and the third is C. Therefore Z sounds Z. These are some more examples. Zucchero, zucchero means sugar. Zoppo, zoppo means crippled. Zitto, zitto means be quiet. Zucchina, zucchina is the vegetable that in English you call courgette. Zucchero, zoppo, zitto, zucchina. A couple of exceptions to this rule are the word zeta, zeta, which means Z, and zafferano, zafferano, that refers to a spice that in English you call saffron. Zeta, zafferano. Okay, now let's move on to the second way you can pronounce the letter Z. You can find this sound in foreign words, like for example, freezer, freezer, which means freezer, freezer. Some other examples are zoom, zoom, zen, zen, zip, zip, and the Italian word for zoo, which is zoo, zoo. Zoom, zen, zip, zoo. You can find this sound as well in words starting with Z, when the third letter is one of the consonants I've listed here. B, D, G, L, M, N, R, V. For instance, zebra, zebra, which means zebra. Let's see some more examples. Zanzara, zanzara is a mosquito. Zerbino, zerbino is the doormat. Zero, zero is the number 0. Zona, zona means area. Zanzara, zerbino, zero, zona. An exception to this rule is the word zampa, zampa, that means paw. Zampa, zampa. Lastly, you can find this soft sound in most words ending in izzare. For example, in the verb organizzare, organizzare, that means to organize. Organizzare. Let's see a couple of more examples, such as utilizzare, utilizzare means to use. Velocizzare, velocizzare means to speed up. Utilizzare, velocizzare. Alright, before you go, let's do a short activity. Try to read the following words and to recognize the sound of the Z. I'll give you a few seconds, but you can stop the video if you need more time. Ready? Let's go! Okay, let's read them together. I'll repeat each word twice so you can read with me. Vizio, vizio. Zodiaco, zodiaco. Zozzo, zozzo. Analizzare, analizzare. Emergenza, emergenza. Bellezza, bellezza. Mascalzone, mascalzone. Zinco, zinco. In case you don't know, these words mean bad habit, zodiac, dirty, analyze, emergency, beauty, villain, and zinc. Vizio, zodiaco, zozzo, analizzare, emergenza, bellezza, mascalzone, zinco. And this is all for today. Thanks so much for watching. You can also check out my other videos on Italian pronunciation and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe and I'll see you soon in another video. A presto, ciao!